YogaLise or YogaLise. Today we're filming for you from Rishikesh, which is a bit north of Delhi. It's a really small town and it's called the capital of yoga. They say that yoga was actually invented here. And as you can see, this is a very special place. The Ganges, the Ganga, how they call it here, is flowing behind me. And yeah, there's lots of people around, there's lots of noise of the town, so I hope you will be able to hear me for the rest of the session. We're gonna do a short session in which we will focus mainly on letting go. The Ganges has a special meaning for lots of Indian people. When their family or when people die, they burn their bodies in the river, and they let the bodies flow on the river so that their spirits can go and so that the spirits are free. Also, it's said that when you wash yourself with water from the Ganga, that you're cleansed of your sins. So with this session, I would like to focus on cleaning the body and sort of let a river of cleanliness flow through the body, so that you feel more clean and perhaps a bit more freed of your sins afterwards. So we're going to start with a short centering exercise, closing the eyes, lengthening out the spine, stretching the crown of the head towards the sky, taking a breath. And to start with investigating how you're feeling now. Is your mind very busy or is it quiet? And how's the body feeling today? And one of the qualities of water, or one of the qualities of a river, is actually that it can flow and that can open up new spaces. Water is very powerful, so when you have a blockage or when something is stuck, with the force of water, a gentle force of water, you can open it and the blockage can go. So perhaps you notice any blockages in the body or in the mind. And with your eyes closed still, set the intention of letting the river or let the water free these blockages in this session. Taking a deep breath. One more deep breath, raising the arms up towards the sky. Exhaling, bring the hands, the palms in front of the heart. And open your eyes. Great. Bring your hands on your knees. And we're going to start with rolling the neck a bit from left to right. The neck is actually one of the first places where you can feel a bit blocked. When things are stuck in your head and they cannot freely through the body. So a good way to connect back with the body is to roll the neck so that literally your head can sink a bit into the rest of the body. Relax the entire face. And then bring your head back to the center. And now we're going to roll the body from left to right. And when you're in the front, do it along with your in and exhalation. So inhaling when you're in the front, exhale when you're in the back. All the way around. Rounding the spine. Creating some movement and some opening in the spine. Okay, now have your hands on your knees. On your exhalation, bring back your spine, make a round spine with your shoulders low. And in your inhalation, bring your chest forward, bring your head back a little, look up. Opening up the spine, freeing the chest. your hands on the floor, come to standing. And have your hips, place your feet hip width apart so that they're below your hips. Have your hands on your hips and then start rolling your body. Make big circles with the hips, all the way around. Okay, and come to the center. For one moment stand still, have your hands on your belly, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And notice how you feel. You already feel a bit more open, feel a bit more movement in the body. Okay, then inhale, bring your arms wide. And on your exhalation, we're going to twist to the left. Bring your right hand on your left shoulder and look back. I will look towards the camera so you can still hear me. It's important that you keep your left hip also facing the front. And raise your right elbow up. Inhale, come back to the center. Spread your arms wide. And exhale, go the other way around. And again, inhale out. Exhale, twist. Inhale out. Spread your fingers as well. Exhale. Inhale out. Exhale. And increase the pace a little. So you don't necessarily have to go with your breath anymore. Let your upper body go freely twist and turn. And go quicker. You can hit your body with your arm. Very good massage for the liver, for kidneys. And then slowly come in the middle. Okay. And spread your arms wide again. Spread your fingers. Twist your thumbs down. And grab hold of the back. Grab your hands at the back of your body. So have your shoulders back, chest open. Inhale. And on your exhalation, bend forward from the hips with a straight spine. You can bend your knees if you need to. And then come forward. Opening up the chest, the place between the shoulders. Lift up your shoulders away from the ears. And inhale, bend your knees, spread your arms, and come up. Hands in front of your chest. Okay, close your eyes for another second. Take a breath. Keep your hands in front of your heart. And then step your feet hip width apart. Again. Have your arms spread wide. And then on your inhalation, grab hold, on your exhalation, grab hold of your left leg and pull it towards you. So make sure your right leg is very strong and your left leg you really pull towards you. Your chest is forward. Then inhale, step wide. And exhale, grab hold of your other leg. Inhale wide, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Make sure you keep your face relaxed. And you really press your stepping leg in the floor as if you want to jump. Keep your shoulders low. And take deep in and exhalation. Okay. One more time. And let your arms wide. Let them come down. Again, take one moment to close your eyes. Relax your knees a little bit. Place one hand on the belly, one hand on the heart. Feel the heartbeat. Feel the breath. And then open your eyes. And close your hands. One more exercise that will open up the sides of the body. Bring your, no, actually not. We're not going to open up the sides of the body. We're going to lengthen a bit more. So on your next inhalation, you come and stand up on your toes. And bring your arms up high. And make sure you also open your armpits towards the front. So your inhalation, have your belly in. On your exhalation, bring your heels back down, you bend your knees, and you breathe out through the mouth, letting go of the arms. So I'll show you from the side. So we're going to inhale through the nose, lifting the arms up, and exhaling, you're going to bend your knees and let go of your upper body on your legs, and your hands can go back. It's really important that you bend your knees, so otherwise it will not be nice for the lower back. So inhale, go on top of your toes, lengthen, you can look up even, and exhale through the mouth, down. Repeat this a couple of times. Inhale, and down. Inhale, come up. Every time deep inhalations all the way to your toes or through your belly. And exhale. One more time. Okay, now hang here. Just stay down. Bend your knees a little bit. And then slowly roll up with a round spine. Your shoulders back down. Come again to the front of your mat. Close your eyes for a second. Observe how you're feeling. And then come to sit. You can sit cross-legged, or you can sit on your knees if that's more comfortable for you. And place your hands on your knees, your palms up, chest open. Closing your eyes. Taking a breath. And again, observe how you're feeling. Go back to that imaginary river that's flowing through you. Every out breath, feel how you can let go just a little bit more. Anything that you don't need for the rest of your day. Deep inhalation. On your exhale, let go. Let's slide away all the things you don't need. One more time. Inhale. And on your out breath, just let it slide away. Then in your next inhalation, bring your arms up on the sides of your body, palms touch above your head. And on your exhalation, bring the palms in front of your heart. 2 more times. Inhale. Inhale. Bow forward, open your eyes, and then gently come back up. Say namaste. Thank you very much for watching YogaLise all the way from India, from Rishikesh. I wish you a great day, and I hope you feel a bit more fluid, and that just everything will flow for you like the river Ganga is flowing here behind me. Thank you very much. Namaste. See you next time.